Hello friends, today I am here with another chapter of textbook Vistas. The name of the story is The Tiger King by Kalki. You must have seen the previous videos, and the very main motive here is to understand the title of the story, The Tiger King. This shows that the story is going to revolve around a character that might be a tiger, or that tiger is the king. So many questions will pop up when you listen the title The Tiger King. A kind of suspense arises when you listen this title. In literature, it is very essential that whenever you study some text, you should understand the title of the story. So I will start with the title, The Tiger King. To explain in a simple language, the Tiger King highlights a character that is king, and king of Pratibandhpuram. Tiger is attached with this king. Why? During his birth, when he was born, the astrologers predicted that this child would die, and the reason of his death would be a tiger. In this story, the writer Kalki adds an element of shock and surprise. How? When the astrologers predicted that this boy would die because of some tiger, to utter surprise, that small baby of 10 days, he opened his mouth, he spoke, and also he questioned, that was related to this prediction that was given by the astrologers. He wanted to know that how this prediction could be fulfilled in the future. He thinks that whosoever is born on this earth, this is for sure that the person will die one day. And a kind of prediction was made for this small child who is going to be a king in the future. Time passed away. Few years were spent. He remembered the prediction that he would die because of some tiger. He thought of shooting the tigers, and till the age of 20th, he hunted almost 70 tigers. The astrologer also predicted that the 100 tiger would be responsible for the death of the king. Now he has reached to the number 70. He asked his courtiers to search for more tigers. Nobody was allowed to hunt tiger in that area. Only the king could hunt a tiger. Even the British officers, they were not allowed tiger hunt. And for this thing, the king paid a lot. He has to offer diamond rings to the lady of the British officer to save his own kingdom. For this simple prediction, throughout the life, he focused just on this concept of the prediction done by the astrologer. For him, tiger hunt was more important than working for the country, working for his own kingdom. And we find people, even in this present scenario, they work for their country? No. People are more focused about their own life, their own needs, their own desires. This is highlighted in this story that the people who are in power, they utilize their powers for their own benefit. Hardly they take such steps that can be fruitful for the entire nation. And here this king, he is also focused with his own desires. He heard that 100 tigers would be responsible for his death. So he chose the aim of his life to hunt 100 tigers. Even he married a girl whose kingdom was full of tigers. The tiger population in her kingdom was more than that in his own kingdom. And this is the reason, for the sake of tigers. Friends, see the mentality. For the sake of tigers, this king married a girl. And whenever he used to visit that palace, he used to hunt 4-5 tigers. Now the motive was to reach to the 100 number. Search hunt started everywhere to find that 100 tiger. But there was no tiger available. He commanded his divan, by hook or crook you have to arrange, because he wanted to hunt the 100 tiger. A tiger was brought from some park from Madras. And when the king saw the tiger, he was very happy, because now he was sure that the 100 tiger would be hunted. He shot, but that shot was missed. The king thought that the tiger was dead, and he commanded the soldiers to bring the dead body of that tiger to the palace. When the soldiers went near to the tiger, they found the tiger was alive. They killed that tiger. And later on, celebrations were there in the palace. Everybody was happy, and the king was very happy, because he thought that the prediction was no more a truth, because he hunted 100 tigers, but in reality he hunted only 99 tigers. The day came of celebration, the king's son's third birthday. The king thought, what should I present to my son? He wanted to gift something, but that gift should be something appealing, something of unique character. He went outside. In a toy shop, he found a wooden tiger. Now, this tiger is connected with the life of the king from the very beginning when he took birth and even till now. He thought of presenting a wooden tiger to his son. He gave that present to his son, and while he was playing with his son, the sliver of that wooden tiger pierced the right hand of the king, and infection was spread throughout the arm. Operation was done, and finally the king died. So friends, see, for normal people or those who are very orthodox, who are superstitious, for them the end of the story is appealing. They feel that it was destiny. As the prediction was made, 100 tigers would be responsible for the death of the king, and this is what happened. But people living in the area during the time of computers, for them it can be unconvincing. They are not convinced with this idea, but this story highlights another important theme, that is the overconfidence and a sense of security. How these two things affect the life of those who are in power. The character of the king, he was overconfident, and because of this overconfidence and a sense of false security leads to his doom. Another important thing, hunting of wild animals. Tiger hunt. See, tiger hunt was prohibited in that area, but the man in power, the king, he was involved in tiger hunting. In the present scenario, the government has made many laws to protect wildlife. It is the duty of the citizens to protect natural resources and also wildlife. For us, we can think that this particular animal is of no use to us, or for our own benefit we hunt wild animals. But we should consider the fact that the entire world and different species in the world, they are one or the other way interconnected. So this story also shows that hunting of wild animals should be prohibited strictly. Therefore, these are the two important themes of this lesson, the tiger king. So, this is all for today. Like, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.